Hello, my friends. Welcome to my kitchen. I am your host Fateh Khan. So today I'll be making my favorite Italian dessert. I love desserts, but I love the Italian desserts even more, and especially this one. Tiramisu is a very light, fluffy dessert, very easy to put together. Basically, there is no cooking involved. You prepare few ingredients, combine them together, leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight, and voila, you have a beautiful Italian dessert at home. So, without taking any more of your time, let's get to it. First thing first, we need about 2 cups of very strong coffee or espresso. I'm a coffee drinker, so I have all these coffee making gadgets at home. I have an espresso machine, I have an espresso machine, and then I have this aluminum espresso maker. It's a very simple, handy tool to make espresso at home. You use it on a stove top. You don't need electric connection for it. So I'll fill the bottom half of this machine with water. Make sure that it is almost till the top, and there should be enough space to place the coffee filter cup. Now I'll fill up my coffee filter cup with coffee, with freshly ground coffee. Make sure that the edges are clean, and then place the top half and make sure that it's securely tight. So now place the espresso maker on a medium flame. Once you hear the bubbling sound, you will know that the machine has started to make the espresso, and we see that the espresso is pouring out into the top half cup. Let's wait a few more minutes until our top half cup is full of espresso, and I see that it is, and our espresso is ready. Pour the espresso into a pan and let it sit on a countertop or in a refrigerator and let it cool. It should be cold, it should not be warm. So here is our mascarpone cheese. We need 16 ounces of it. Next up, we will separate our egg whites from our egg yolks. Combine the mascarpone cheese and egg yolks together. We will use a handheld mixture. Add about 4 tablespoons of white sugar into the egg yolk and mascarpone cheese mixture. In a separate bowl, we're gonna beat the egg whites with a handheld mixture until we have a stiff peak. This looks good enough to me. I believe the egg whites are done. Let's move to the next step. So we're going to combine our egg whites and our mascarpone cheese and egg yolks mixes together. So we will be folding the egg whites into the mascarpone cheese mixture. We're going to be very gentle. Our goal is to come up with a very soft and fluffy mixture. To make tiramisu, we're going to be using ladyfingers. Ladyfingers are hardened cake sticks. They're very soft, easy to cut. And we're going to be dipping each ladyfinger separately into our espresso, cold espresso, just for 2 to 3 seconds. And then place them in a very nice fashion into our pan. So we will cover the bottom of our pan completely with the moistened ladyfingers. So our one layer is done, and we're gonna top this layer with our mixture, mascarpone mixture that we just made. Make a thick layer of this mixture on top of the ladyfingers layer. And now we're gonna repeat the process to create another layer, a second layer of ladyfingers on top of this mixture layer. So we will have two levels or two layers of ladyfingers, and in between we will have our mixture. Pour the rest of the mixture on top of the second layer of these ladyfingers and spread it evenly. So now I'm gonna sprinkle some freshly ground coffee. You can use cocoa, but I like to use coffee. It gives me extra coffee taste or extra bitterness that I really need in my dessert. I don't like my dessert to be too sweet, and this gives me a perfect balance of sweetness and bitterness. So after all night of refrigeration, guys, this is our tiramisu. It is ready. It looks delicious. It smells awesome. I am ready to try it. I like the tasting day where you get to actually try your creation. So I can't wait. I can't wait any longer. Let's go ahead and try it. All right, guys, here is the tasting time. Let's see. I'm glad that I did not use cocoa or any more sweetness. I like the I like the way I used coffee crumbs instead of cocoa. So the sugar, the sweetness does not overwhelm the taste of the coffee. It's such a good combination of both sugar, sweetness, and coffee, sweetness and bitterness. It's really, really good. Let me take one more slice. It's so light that you can easily eat the whole piece, or maybe you can have one more. It's not like a pastry or a cake where you just take a couple of spoons and you feel full. Tiramisu, you can easily eat one piece. It's so light. It's not sweet. So let me try one more piece. It just disappeared in your mouth. It's so light. So guys, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel, share my video so I can make more and more videos for you guys. So I hope you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment for me, and if you want me to try a different dessert, a different dish, let me know and I will certainly make it for you. Thank you for watching my video.